Welcome back, guys, to the channel, and today I have a new money video, guys, for you today. It's on the task platform Cointiply, where you can earn Bitcoin. Before we get into that, if you like Bitcoin, you're looking for another way to earn it a bit more passively than this, check out Slices. The video link will be down below or on the top right hand corner. So let's get into this. So this is as simple as it gets to a task platform, though Cointiply does have some features that I regularly do not see on other task platforms, such as their daily spin, which you can redeem every hour or so, and you get like, I don't know, anywhere from like 1 to 500 coins. It really depends on how their jackpot and the multiplier you get, stuff like that. They also have a PTC ad section where you get paid to click ads. They also have their own gambling machine. I wouldn't recommend this personally because unless if you're short of cashing out and you want to test your luck, you're most definitely going to lose your coins, because I've lost too many coins to this. Another cool thing they have is that if your balance is over 35,000 coins, you will earn a 5% interest rate. Also, the referral system is really good. With that being said, guys, use my code down below when you guys sign out. The link will also be there, obviously. And they also have a watch video section. I do see that in a couple task platforms, but this does have a couple more. Okay, so Cointiply also has a redeem promo code thing, which you can basically do daily or whenever they bring out a code, really. I tend to follow their newsletter, slap it in here, get my coins for the day, and then, do it tomorrow. As I said before, they also have a daily spin. It's called Roll the Flosset. You can redeem this every hour. I wouldn't go to the extent to doing it every hour of the day, but I do it when I do redeem my promo code. So, I rack up coins pretty slowly, but sometimes there's an offer or two that you can do. Guys, this task platform is pretty straightforward. It's simple to go around and find your stuff. So I'm not gonna go through every nook and cranny and show this in like a 30-minute long video. So I'm gonna drop it right here. Anyhow, go check this out for yourself. Giving these things a try is never gonna hurt you. Anyhow, like the video, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.